even if your wife gets custody, if you are if as a father you have huge rights for visitation, video calling rights also. Your parents have a separate grandparents visitation and virtual calling rights. All of that is available. The nuance here is that if you don't fight tooth and nail for it, if you think she took custody, now I'll get visitation, she can use legal tactics to deny you to see your child's face for the next 5 years easily. The little nuance is that you just need to fight very hard, push in front of the judge. I'll give you practically, I'll tell you what happens. You will move for visitation. The judge will say, issue notice, 3 mahine baad ki date. Wife doesn't come on the next date. You say, Judge Saab, then pass the order. No, issue fresh notice. And then next date, she comes and says, I did not receive copy of the petition. अरे भाई 25 बार भेजा हुआ है, व्हाट्सएप, ईमेल, स्पीड पोस्ट, एवरीथिंग, ठीक है, इसके साइन नहीं है, मेरे को तो नहीं मिला, ठीक है ना. फिर अगले she'll come and say, my lord, need little more time to file my response. Judge says, okay. अरे भाई बच्चे की शक्ल नहीं देखी 1 साल से. Okay, next date. Next item number 72. क्योंकि 71 items have gone by, the judge doesn't care. And then the next date the wife comes and says, because he was bad father, he used to beat me all the time. And सबसे कॉमन, बच्चे के सामने pornography देखता था. अब judge says, भाई अब सच्चाई है नहीं है, I don't know. But do I, just in case father actually watched porn in front of a small child, do I really want to take the risk? फिर क्या है? Date. Having said that, if you push strongly station rights for virtual calling rights, and you keep pushing and you keep pushing. For example, judge gives a long date, move an application for preponement, mentioning my desire, my parents' desire, our burning or yearning for our child. ठीक है, नहीं लगाई, उस short date application को अपील में लेके चले गए. You keep pushing the judge and show that I'm actually committed and I'm actually desperate. I'm not just putting up a show. तो judge देता है, अच्छा order देता है, और wife को comply भी करना पड़ता है. So you have the right. It is enforceable, but only if you push hard. If you don't, practically she'll be able to deny you visitation rights for very, very long time.